face hurdles while naming variables in coding, we can understand that it can be one of the most hardest things to do. But here's what you've got to do. The first being always choose names that describe the type and use of the variable. Avoid using single letter names unless they are being used as counters in loops. The next thing would be to create variable names by deleting spaces that separate the words. You need to capitalize each word in the name, including prepositions and pronouns that consist of a single letter. The next important point is to choose variable names that reveal your intent. For example, instead of using data or value, use more specific names like user data or input value to provide clarity. Coming to the next point, name variables that describe binary states like true or false after the state that matches the true value. Lastly, use prefixes or suffixes if necessary to differentiate the type or purpose, such as is underscore for Boolean variables or underscore list for lists. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.